Adam, is a 25-year-old man from Spain. He lives in a small town called Valencia. Adam loves movies and music, but most are in English. He wants to understand them without subtitles. One day he thinks, I will learn English. He downloads a free app on his phone. The app teaches basic words like hello, thank you, and goodbye. Adam practices every morning. He writes words in a notebook and sticks them on his wall. His friend Maria laughs. Why English? She asks. Adam says, I want to travel to England someday. Learning English is hard. Adam confuses ship and sheep. Once he tells Maria, I saw a big sheep in the ocean. She laughs for 10 minutes, but Adam doesn't give up. He watches YouTube videos with slow English speakers. He repeats sentences like, how are you? And where is the bathroom? One day he joins an online class. His teacher, Mr. Brown, is from London. Mr. Brown says, practice every day. Even 10 minutes helps. Adam listens. He talks to his cat, Whiskers, in English. Whiskers, you are a good cat, he says. Whiskers doesn't care. But Adam feels proud. After 6 months, Adam can read simple stories and ask for directions. But he's nervous to speak. Mr. Brown says, go to England. You'll learn fast there. Adam saves money and buys a plane ticket to London. His hands shake when he clicks Book Now. Maria gives him a phrase book. For emergencies, she says. Adam packs his bags, says goodbye to Whiskers, and flies to London. London is big and busy. Adam's first day is scary. At the airport, he asks, where is a train? The worker smiles. The tube is downstairs. Adam doesn't understand tube, but follows the crowd. He stays at a hostel. His roommate, Tom, is from Australia. Tom speaks fast English. Adam says, sorry, can you repeat? Tom slows down. No worries, mate. Let's explore together. Adam visits famous places, Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, and red buses. He takes photos and sends them to Maria. At a cafe, he orders tea and a cake. The server brings a scone. Adam doesn't know the word scone, but it's delicious. One day, he gets lost. He asks a woman, where is river? She says, the Thames? Turn left. Adam feels happy. He understood. Adam joins a free walking tour. The guide, Emily, speaks clearly. Adam learns new words like historic and monument. After the tour, Emily invites him to a pub. Adam hears slang like cheers and mate. He copies the words and laughs with the group. At the pub, Adam tries to order fish and chips. He says, I want fish and potatoes. The server smiles. Fish and chips, coming right up. After 2 weeks, Adam feels braver. He chats with tourists at the hostel. One girl from Japan says, your English is good. Adam's face turns red. Thank you. I'm still learning. He even helps a lost Italian family. The museum is that way, he says, pointing. They say, grazie. Adam grins. He used English to help someone. Adam's trip ends too fast. At the airport, Tom says, you're a legend, mate. Keep practicing. Adam feels sad but proud. Back in Spain, Maria asks, how was England? Adam says, amazing. Amazing. I made mistakes, but I learned. Adam keeps studying. He watches British shows, reads kids' books, and talks to Mr. Brown online. He plans another trip, next time to Scotland. Maria starts learning English too. Teach me, she says. Adam smiles. Say hello to Whiskers first.